In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to a Lovable app. Start by signing into your Lovable account and open the project where you want to add payments. Next, make sure your project is already connected to Supabase, since most payment implementations in Lovable use Supabase together with Stripe. After that, open the AI chat panel in Lovable and enter a prompt. For example, type, "Integrate Stripe checkout into my app." Create a payment page with a Buy Now button for a product called Premium Plan priced at $19.99 per month. After a successful payment, redirect users to a thank you page, ***. Now let Lovable generate the payment flow and click Apply to add the changes to your project. Next, sign into your Stripe dashboard and copy your publishable key and secret key. Return to Lovable, open Project Settings, then Environment Variables, and add the required Stripe environment variables using the values from your Stripe account. After that, create a product in Stripe called Premium Plan, add a recurring price of $19.99 per month, and make sure the generated Stripe price ID is used in your Lovable project if prompted. Finally, click Preview to test the checkout flow using Stripe test mode. Complete a test payment, confirm that you're redirected to the success page, and verify that the payment is recorded correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Stripe to a Lovable app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.